Extreme deep blackhead cleaning pore by pore results. Understanding the journey to clearer skin. I've spent years helping friends and clients tackle stubborn blackheads, those frustrating little plugs that make skin look dull and textured. There's something deeply satisfying about seeing pores transform from clogged to clear, but it must be done gently and realistically. This isn't about quick fixes or harsh squeezing that leaves scars. It's a thoughtful, pore by pore approach combining preparation, safe extraction, natural remedies, and consistent care. Expect gradual, visible results with patience. What exactly are blackheads? Blackheads, or open comedones, form when excess sebum, dead skin cells, and debris clog hair follicles. The top stays open, exposing the plug to air, which oxidizes and turns it dark. They're common on the nose, chin, forehead, and back. Unlike whiteheads, they're not covered by skin, making them more noticeable but also more accessible for safe removal. Root causes behind stubborn blackheads. Understanding the causes helps prevent recurrence. Hormonal changes, oily skin, humidity, certain cosmetics, and infrequent cleansing contribute. Stress and diet high in processed foods can worsen oil production. The key is balance, not stripping skin completely, which triggers more oil, but gently managing it. Essential preparation steps for safe cleaning. Start with preparation for effective, low-damage cleaning. Always begin with clean hands and tools. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, then steam pores open. Boil water, pour into a bowl, drape a towel over your head, and lean in for 5 to 10 minutes. This softens plugs without irritation. Add a drop of tea tree oil for antibacterial benefits if your skin tolerates it. Gentle extraction technique. Pore by pore. For deep cleaning, use a come-done extractor tool, sterilized with alcohol, or wrapped fingers. After steaming, gently press around the blackhead with the loop side. Apply even pressure, never force it. If it doesn't come out easily, leave it and try again later. This pore by pore method respects your skin's limits. Powerful DIY clay mask for deep impurity removal. Incorporate a DIY clay mask for drawing out impurities. Mix bentonite or kaolin clay with apple cider vinegar or water into a paste. Apply evenly, let dry 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Clay absorbs excess oil and debris deeply. Follow with a honey layer. Raw manuka or local honey has natural antibacterial properties and soothes. Salicylic acid and gentle exfoliation routine. Salicylic acid is a game changer for dissolving plugs. Use an over-the-counter cleanser or serum with 1 to 2% salicylic acid daily. It penetrates pores, exfoliates inside, and prevents new clogs. Pair with gentle physical exfoliation like a sugar or oatmeal scrub once or twice weekly. Massage in circles softly. Think nurturing your skin, not scrubbing harshly. Turmeric honey glow remedy for inflammation. Try this unique turmeric honey remedy for its anti-inflammatory glow. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons raw honey and a squeeze of lemon. Patch test first for sensitivity. Apply to affected areas for 10 minutes. Turmeric brightens, honey pulls impurities, and lemon provides mild exfoliation. Rinse gently. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. Soothing green tea toner and scrub option. Green tea offers a soothing, antioxidant-rich option. Brew strong green tea, cool it, and use as a toner with a cotton pad, or mix what leaves into a scrub. It reduces oil production and calms inflammation. For deeper results, combine with baking soda paste, 1:2 ratio with water, for occasional gentle exfoliation. Post-cleaning soothing and protection. After extraction or masking, calm and protect your skin. Apply a soothing aloe vera gel or light moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. Avoid heavy creams immediately. Use sunscreen daily, SPF 30, as treated skin is more sun-sensitive. This human touch of care prevents rebound oiliness and scarring. Building long-term consistency for results. Consistency brings pore-by-pore transformations. Follow a routine, cleanse morning and night, exfoliate 2 to 3 times weekly, mask weekly, and use actives like retinoids. Start slow, for prevention. Track progress with weekly photos. Results build over weeks, not days. Hydration from inside, water, fruits, matters too. Lifestyle and diet support for healthy skin. Diet and lifestyle add unique human depth. Reduce dairy and sugar if they trigger your skin. Manage stress with walks or meditation, as cortisol spikes oil. Sleep well, skin repairs at night. These small habits make the difference between temporary clears and lasting healthy skin. Knowing when to seek professional help. Know when to seek professional help. For extreme cases or risk of scarring, visit a dermatologist or esthetician for safe extractions, chemical peels, or microdermabrasion. They use sterile techniques and can address deeper issues. Never pick aggressively at home. Embracing patience and self-kindness. Patience and self-kindness are essential. Skin changes take time, and imperfections are normal. Celebrate small wins like fewer blackheads or smoother texture. This approach isn't just cleaning, it's building a caring relationship with your skin for long-term confidence and health. With consistent, realistic care, you'll see those pore-by-pore results shining through. Word count, approximate 10-20. Love this deep blackhead cleaning? Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Comment your favorite moment below. Next video is going to be even more extreme.